It's a big day today. I'm gonna try to haul this car, maybe this car, this one, possibly this cute little thing, and this one. I woke up early today and I decided I'm gonna try to haul as much out of here as I possibly can today, possibly on Friday as well. But definitely today, it's a bit breezy, but it's supposed to be one of the better days out of the week. And it's looking like we've got relatively good weather for the next 10 days. I think I'm going to start off with this one. I believe it's oh, shoot, I didn't do my research, but I think it's a 1950 Hudson, kind of like the Doc Holliday car. If you recall that big four-door greenish, goldish thing that I have in my other video, it has the engine that this should have. I don't know if this has an engine in it or not, but let's do a review of her. Let's start here in the back. So, the deck lid looks pretty nice, roof looks pretty nice, back glass is in it. Bumper is looking, it looked pretty good up until the right side. Something's banged into it here on the bottom, right there. See if we can get the trunk open. We can. And we've got drums, radiator, bumper parts to other cars, I believe is a lot of this. Sorry, I'm trying to talk and look and see what I'm recording at the same time, but we got bumper parts back there. Yeah, so there's some parts to other vehicles here but anyway, looks decent. Okay, let's keep going here. Rear quarter. She's a bit rusty, a little bit of rust rot in front of the bumper there. Some dents towards the front. Rocker panel is pretty rusted out right there. That's pretty bad there. The passenger door's got some damage there. Upper part of it looks good though. Glass is there, but it's got the bubbling in it from the sun and age. Door's repairable as well. Looks like somebody probably tried to pull it already improperly. Got some rust through on the bumper there, fender. And looks like there's a bit of a dent here where that connection is. Front bumper missing. Grill is relatively decent. Couple dents in the bottom. Hood is looking pretty good. Front windshield glass needs to be changed. I bet that's hard to find. It's rounded. Front fender has a dent near the light there. Looks like it's pulled out a little bit right here as well. Banged up a bit, but better than that other fender off the other one, that's for sure. Hopefully the right one would match up. I'm kind of looking at the other one to be the parts for this one, if necessary. But if they're comparable, I'm not gonna do that. I'll fix things or buy new. Roof looks good on this side here. Door, it's a little banged up, not bad. Quarter panel about the same as the other side. I really like this car too. This is one I think I will be keeping. No gas lid cover. I wonder how hard that would be to find. Let's check out the interior. It's almost all gone. So this would probably end up being something to rot out, drop a bigger engine in it, or maybe that 6-cylinder. Just keep it. Yeah, well, who knows what's in it, actually. Let's see if we can see what we got here. How do we get in? Okay. There it is. Okay, bear with me. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe there's a pull. Wow. Jeez. I don't know if that's a pull in there. Is that for the engine? Wow. Boy, I don't know. Engine stuff feels pretty stuck. I'm sure I could get it at some point. But yeah, I'm not. I guess it's something we're going to have to look into at a later date. Oh, okay, I see a fan in there. Okay, it's got an engine. Just can't look at it right now. Okay, well, anyway. Let's, can't dilly-dally. Let's get this thing loaded.
The 1950 Hudson Super Six, now that's a name dripping with mid-century cool. Hudson Motors, based out of Detroit, rolled these off the line when America was hungry for something fresh after World War II. That car, it screamed optimism. Straight 6 mil, 394 cubes if you're into displacement talk, coughing out maybe 130 horses tops. But smooth, oh it was smooth. Designers went nuts with the aerodynamics, long hood tapering into this bulbous nose, almost spaceship-like for its time. Step-down drive, they called it. Frame tacked low so you sit inside the wheels, not above. Felt like cheating physics, hugging pavement while every other sedan floated like a boat. Chrome everywhere. Bumpers, grills, even the horn ring screamed, "Look at me." Interiors? Leatherette benches stretched ear to ear, armrests sturdy enough to lean on during those long family trips to the lake. Radio played the hits. Heater actually worked without smelling like burnt socks. And folks loved it. Dealers couldn't keep stock. Yeah, Hudson sold close to 200,000 units that year, believe it or not. Not bad for a company that started making bicycles a few decades back. Oh, and fuel economy? 8 miles to the gallon on the highway. Downhill with a tailwind, sure. But
Okay, well, we got her on there. It wasn't too bad, and I was actually able to lift the AMC with my skid steer, but my leverage kind of gets weaker as I get higher. It was a trick. It was right on the edge of its capacity, and I was kind of balancing on my front tires of the skid steer, lifting that thing up. So anyway, we got the first load. I'm making good time so far. I don't know if I can get 3, but let's try. Okay, we got the first load out of there. I'm back. This is a 62 Chrysler Newport, I believe. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Bumper's looking good. Grill, bit damaged there on the driver's side. Hood, looking pretty good, first glance. Headlights, bezels, all that looks pretty good. Some flaking paint on the right fender. If it seems like I'm rushing, I am. I really want to get 3 loads today. Not sure if I can. Windshield looks really good, except there's a little bit of stuff there, but man, to have a complete windshield, I don't think I'm going to fuss about that. Maybe I can clean it up a little bit somehow. Okay, rocker panels looking good. Doors on the passenger side looks good. Chrome's a little bit pulled out there, but I think that could be popped back in pretty easy. The roof is looking pretty good. I'm a little bit perplexed why they've got this weird bevel in the roof, but whatever. Quarter panel is looking good. Bumper is looking good in the back. Paint's flaking, no biggie. Looking good. I can never tell if that stuff's Bondo or if it's just thick, cracked paint. Or maybe very thin Bondo, I don't know. Let's see, no tail lights back there either. Quarter panels looking good here. Roof's good on this side. Glass is good. Is the back window good? Yeah, looks pretty good. Trim's a little bit dinged up, no biggie. Doors. Wow, the body on this one is really nice. Gotta say. Wow. There's a little dent right there. I'm not sure. I don't think the body on the Chrysler 300 was that good. That's really nice body on that sucker. Interior, I'm probably not gonna get into too much with you guys because I just don't have the time. I'm trying to get these 3. He's got that dome. Fine. Nope, I won't do it because the door's locked. I'm not gonna dink around with it, but if you can see, there you go, you can kind of see the dome above the steering wheel. Pretty cool. I love that. I think that's so cool. Looks like somebody was rocking out with new speakers. But yeah, the body on this looks amazing. I don't have the time to get into the trunk and everything, but keep following, because at some point we will go over every single one of these, a video dedicated to each one as I do stuff to it. So let's start hauling this one. We did it. We got it loaded. Went better than the Hudson through this Chrysler on behind it. So the problem is, it's almost 4 p.m. It takes me about an hour 20 to get back to my shop, unload, and get back here. That's going to put it at 4:30. It's going to start getting dark. I even moved this one up here to try to and be more prepared, but this one, none of the tires are taking air, so it's going to be a lot harder loading this one because it's so low to the ground and it's so long. I have pieces on my trailer that are going to catch if I don't keep an eye on it, so it's going to take me quite a while to load this one. So sadly, I think I have brought shame and dishonor upon my family, and I will not be able to get 3 loads today. However, I'm going to take this one back, unload it, and be ready to go the next day, tomorrow. So if you want to watch that, tune in tomorrow. Catch you on the next one.